Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a DIY daily planner. You can make this planner in under 10 minutes and I make this planner every day before I go to bed. Here are the things that you need in order to make this daily planner. Here I'm using an A5 size blank sheet book, a pencil, a ruler, a black gel pen, and some color pencils. And I always promote making the best out of what we already have. So this is going to be very minimal and easy to make, and I believe it's cute at the same time. Do not always wait to buy fancy stuff to make it look more and more aesthetic. Okay, let's get started. I'm going to use two sides for each day. Here I'm going to draw a box to write the date. Here I'm going to add a small design. It is very easy to draw and anybody can do that. Now on the left side I'm going to draw 4 boxes. Here I'm pre-drawing them with a pencil just to make sure that I do not mess it up. In this we are going to write down our to-do list. In this box, I am going to write my reminders for the day. Here I am drawing another small box and it is going to be my water tracker. Because staying hydrated is really important and I consider it as a daily task. Here I am going to add another large box, and basically there I'm going to write anything that comes to my mind throughout the day when I'm studying. For example, if I want to buy anything in the future and thoughts that keep bothering me while I'm studying, or any idea related to YouTube. So this area is basically for brain dumping. Here I am adding the same design that I did before. Here I am going to draw a small plant to make it look a bit cuter. Now I am going to draw 8 glasses in the water tracker because I am planning to drink 8 glasses of water every day. Here I am adding small boxes in front of every task so that I can tick them off when I get them done. It is very rewarding and it keeps me motivated to keep going on. Now moving on to the right side, here I am going to draw a table and each block is going to represent an hour of the day. I will be filling each block with what I did at that particular time as I go on with the day. So this kind of works as a tracker. Basically a study tracker. Here I am going to add another box. If I happen to waste time or spend my time unproductively on that day, I write it down here. For an example, if I spend 1 hour on YouTube, I write it down here because I consider it as a waste of time. So by the end of the day, you can calculate how much time you have wasted or spent unproductively. Finally, I'm going to add one last box here, and in this box I'm going to write the reflection of the day. Let me explain you that. Basically, here I will be calculating how much time I spent on studying, how much time I spent unproductively, and also I'm going to write 3 to 4 lines about how I'm going to make my next day better. And again, adding a little decoration just to make it look cuter. Now if you want to make it look more cuter, you can draw some more stuff, or you can use stickers like these. Again, I did not buy them. I downloaded them from Pinterest and I got them printed, and I have to cut and glue them on my planner if I want to stick them. Now let's see how I have actually used it. The night before, I write down my to-do list, and throughout the day I tick them off as I get them done. Here in the reminders box, I write down all the reminders for the day. Here's the water tracker, and I color glass by glass as I drink water. And then we have the notes section, and on the table I have color coded and filled each and every block according to what I did on that particular time. And then we have the wasted time box and the reflection of the day. So that's it for this video. If you find my video helpful, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and support me. Thank you for watching.